To make a reed diffuser, select a container with a narrow opening made of a material such as glass, ceramic, or stainless steel. Don't use a plastic container, since plastic can react with the essential oils. You'll also need rattan reeds made for diffusing oil. Pick 1 or 2 of your favorite essential oils and a carrier oil, such as almond or safflower oil. Pour a 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, of the carrier oil into a measuring cup and add 25 to 30 drops of your essential oil. Stir the oils together with a spoon and pour them into your diffusing container. Place 4 to 8 reeds in the container and fan them out. After about 1 hour, flip the sticks over so they become completely saturated on both ends. It may take a full day before you start to notice a strong scent coming from the diffuser.